Hello guys, Alexander Thomas. This is SGD-113, section 3, arrays. Alright guys, let's look at the code. Okay, this is a little bit more complicated than what a lot of people may have done, but this is how it works. Alright, so first we have this natural code. That's what it is. Now you'll notice we have string. And if you remember what string does, string is basically allowing us to put words or word down there. In this case, we're doing the context of animals. Now, you'll notice something new here. New string 6. Well, what does this mean? This allows us to put 6 slots. If you have a locker or a shelf or something, you know how many slots you have. Maybe you have 3 or 4, maybe you have 5, who knows. But you get 6 slots. This is allowing us to have a certain amount of slots. Now I'm using animals. This technically could be something else. You could use numbers, integers. Those are the same thing. Or you could use food, water. I don't know how you would do that. But anyways, so now we go to our code. Animals 0, we have animals 0 counts a read line, animals 1 counts a read line, animals 2 counts a read line, and so on down to counts animals line. Animals 5 counts a read line. Now you'll see this counts a write line. If you remember what counts a write line does, it allows us to write code, or allows it write something on the page. Alright. Now the reason why I have 5, you see 5. Now you'll notice that there says 6 here, but yet this number only goes up 5. The reason why is in this program we're using a 0-based program, which means it will start at 0, not at 1, like in some codes you might do. So, no. This is why it says 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, now I get counts in our counts or read line. You have listed. Oops, that's not half. Alright, that's half. Then we get to our for each loop. Now, for each loop is allowing us to be listing a list of what the end user has input. Good. Okay? So, we have the counts read line. If we don't have the counts read line, it just cancels. Alright, let's look at the code. Alright, let me zoom in a little bit. I don't know if might not be able to see this too well. Let's get this a little bigger. There we go. Alright, so it says list 6 animals. Now technically you could list any 6 animals. I'm just going to use cat, then dog, then horse. And probably actually, technically you can say the same thing twice. I'm just going to use cat, parrot. I can list any animals. And honestly, this code will not recognize that S is not animal, because I don't have anything that says, so I could put something, I could misspell line. This is how line, that's not how line spells. I could just make something up, like I say, jumbo. Jumbo's not a thing. Well, it's a thing, but it's not an animal. So I can enter that, and you have listed these things. So I could technically put any name. Oh, and actually, there's a little weird thing here going on. You'll see that it says A plus comma, or I plus comma. Well, what's going to happen is that the reason why, if I don't have this plus comma, plus and this notation is going to comma, it'll list all of them as together. And so I'll get rid of it for a sec. Let's put that. Actually, I'm not going to. But if I don't have this there, it will just say, for example, it will look weird because it'll say, like, it will put all those animals together, so make it look like one word. And that is how this program works. So I have our zero-based program counts a read line, and then every time whatever the user inputs is going to be listed. And it says you have listed. Let's count a read line with commas in between. And one extra comma at the end. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.